President ke BJP MEGHALAYA ba Anis Mauri hakasi palai methakateo ula DAWA ke JINGTOHKIT CBI HALOR KAKYNRUM KYNRAM KBD ba JINGPUNAN kam baklai ka pisa ka bashispa sa khandai klotingka karkum ke jingpau ka kaipot CAG na ka scheme saubhagya lani ka scheme boarding shikishnong kithau Habaikram klab thai khubor ba Anis ulapan pau bu shania tang ha ka CBI ka bala banle ke JINGTOHKIT ka babnya.
So with this fact finding from the CAG report, I think it's a high time inquiry should be taken place by the independent agency, that is CBI. Because why I want that CBI should intervene in this case, in this corruption, because this money has been sanctioned from the center. So from the party side also, we are very sad to inform we have received the reply from the MEECL. They told that they will supply us the information, which till today we have not received. And we are very keen. We have prepared the second letter, RTI format, sent to the concerned authority. If they don't reply, I will sue them in the court.
Hagbay day bagajing pa ayar shuki ujim sang mau menteri beri pe yakatanat boarding uba Ernest ulaong bagata ka syong hakajing start jong menteri rang ba kajelau konrat ke sang ma.
That I live in the wisdom of the CM. I'm the president of the party. If I'm the CLP leader, suppose if I'm MLA, then I will say whatever I have to say. But now I live on the wisdom of the CM.